introduce myself. My name is Kalista Amora. I'm from class 9-3, where I will tell you about my face, so enjoy the next video.
Last month ago, I participated in a city-level karate competition. While competing, I felt nervous, but I tried to stay calm and focus on the move I didn't participate. My opponent was quite strong, but I didn't give up. With passion and confidence, I managed to win the match and take first place. I was very proud because all my hard work and training had finally paid off.